In today's video, I am going to teach you how to tag someone in Microsoft Planner. In Microsoft Planner, there is not a traditional tag feature like you might see in chat apps. The most reliable way to get someone's attention and create clear accountability is to assign them to the task. When you assign a task to a person, Planner can notify them, and the task will also appear in their Assigned to Me view. This makes it easy for them to find and track what they own. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and go to the plan where your work lives. In this example, you will navigate to your plan's board view, where tasks are organized into columns. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct plan so the right team members are available to assign. Next, find the task you want to direct to a specific person. Click into that task so the task details open. This is important because assignments are made from inside the task itself, not from the general board background. Once the task is open, look toward the top right area of the task window for the Assign option. Select Assign to open the list of people who are part of this plan. If your organization has many users, you may see a search field, or you may be able to begin typing to narrow the list. Now choose the team member you want to tag by selecting their name from the list. As soon as you select them, they are added as an assignee on the task. You may see their initials or profile icon appear on the task, which is a quick visual confirmation that the assignment worked. After the person is assigned, pause briefly to make sure the correct name is selected, especially if multiple people have similar names. If needed, you can repeat the same assign action to add additional assignees, but only do that if the responsibility is truly shared. At this point, the task is effectively tagged to that person through assignment. They will receive the appropriate notification based on their settings, and the task will be easier for them to manage because it is now tied directly to their workload. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.